Hey everyone, this is alexusadays and we're continuing Python for quality assurance. So why Python for testers? Let's talk about history of Python a little bit. So Python started in the late 80s and it was first released in 1991. And Python 3 is the modern version we'll use in this course. It was designed to be simple and readable, which is why it is so popular today. So Python was created by Guido van Rossum in the late 1980s as a successor to the ABC language. The first public release of Python 0.9.0 was in 1991. Python 3.0 was released in 2008. And in this course, we will use the modern Python 3.x+, the 3.13 being the latest one. Python is designed to be simple, readable, and beginner-friendly. Python has huge community and thousands of open source libraries. Also in this slide, I will have a link to the interview with Guido van Rossum on why Python is the language of AI. So what kind of language is Python? Python is high-level, interpreted, dynamically typed language. You can write a script, run it immediately, and focus on test logic instead of boilerplate code. Some notes about Python. It is high level, you can focus on logic, not low level details. It is interpreted, you can run script directly, no need for manual compilation. It is dynamically typed, so variable types automatically assigned. It is cross-platform, you can use it on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. So Python is a very popular programming language. And it's used for web apps, APIs, data pipelines, and automation scripts, machine learning and AI, DevOps, and internal utilities, testing and test automation. How testers use Python. So as a tester, you can use Python to do API testing and service checks, send an HTTP request, validate response, verify status codes, headers, and JSON bodies. You can use it for UI automation with Selenium, Playwright, and other tools that support Python. You can use this for data validation and log parsing. You can use it for unit tests and test individual functions or components in isolation. You can use it for specialized frameworks and plugins like BDD with Behave or PyTest BDD. So as a QA engineer, you can use Python to test anything. API, validate responses, automate browsers, parse logs, generate test data. And if you never coded before, Python is one of the easiest languages to start with. The syntax is clean, and almost every testing problem has some Python example online. So this is why Python is good for testers. Hopefully that helps, and I will see you in the next video.